This 2024 Holiday Rambler Invicta 34 megabytes is a Class A RV. It is located in Birch Run, Michigan, 48415 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Holiday Rambler Invicta 34 megabytes is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.